sociologist surveyed 400 randomly selected middle schoolers, 500 randomly selected high schoolers about the number of hours of sleep they had on a daily basis. If the middle schoolers are half as likely as the high schoolers to get less than 8 hours of sleep. Really? Are half as likely. That what would be the value of A? Okay. If the middle schoolers, which is A plus B, are half as likely as the middle schoolers who get, okay. So now we are focusing on which part? Less than 8 hours of sleep. This part, less than 8 hours of sleep, right? And then what did he say? If the middle schoolers are half as likely as the high schoolers, that means this would be how much? 1? Come on. Can I say 150? Can I say 150 based on the statement? If the middle schoolers are half as likely as the high schoolers.
Yeah, it's the percent. Because if it's talking about how much likely it would make the probability. If it's 300 or 200, that's 3/5. So you multiply 400 by 3/5, which is like what's these are 240. So A is 240. So it gives a probability by
Hang on. Let's see something I'm missing here. Sociologists surveyed 400 randomly selected middle schoolers. Okay, I see that. 500 randomly selected high schoolers. I see that. Okay. Now, what I'm saying, if the middle schoolers, which is 400 less than 8 hours of sleep, what would be the value of likely? Question is, okay.
If it's 60%, we're going to 60 by 2 to get 30%. Why?
If middle schoolers are half as likely, okay, let me see if I'm missing something here. If middle schoolers are half as likely as the high schoolers to get less than 8 hours of sleep, okay, what is the probability of a middle schoolers getting less than 8 hours of sleep? The number of people in this box divided by the total, right? So A over 400, or half as likely, 1/2 times. What is the likeliness of high schooler getting less than 8 hours of sleep? 300 over 500, right? Portion over the total, right? 300 over 500. So now solve that equation. So A divided by 400 is equals to half times 300 over 500. Okay. Now simplify. Can I get rid of the factor 100 and factor 100? So A over 400 is equals to 1/2 times. What is 3 over 4? So what do you get? 3 over 10. So what do you have? A over 400 is equals to 3 over 10. Now cross multiply. 10A is equals to how much? 1200. And if you solve for A, what do you get? 120. So there you go.